Do you have customers frustrated by having deer devour their beautiful landscape? Look for our portfolio collection. Consider using our plants that have proven to be less attractive to those stealthy snackers. So folks ask all the time, what is the most deer-resistant shrub? There really is no one shrub that is most deer-resistant, but look for plants that have sharp edges, thorns, or rough leaves, because this will deter deer. So deer also detest poisonous, fuzzy, or bitter trees, like this green giant right here. Dog hobble or Lakota weed is a great choice if you're looking for a fragrant bush that flowers. Cerise charm, loropetalum have fuzzy leaves, so the deer will leave them alone. Mackie podocarpus or plum yew are poisonous to deer. At SiteOne, we want to empower you to make great selections so that you can ultimately succeed. Check out our portfolio collection. Our tags have an icon that specifies if they are deer resistant. Go to SiteOne.com, use our branch locator to see what varieties we have available in your neck of the wood. And go ahead and secure your order while supplies last.